and we are very happy to be part of that vision.
It's an amazing event. It shows to the platform and to all investors joining today that Quantron is a fast-growing company.
Actually have received enough financial and engineering muscles to start conquering the new markets in Europe and also in the United States.
We are very happy to be partner of Quantron and gaining financing and equity and debt for the next round.
For the next time, we can expect a lot of new good things.
And we're very happy to have Quantron as a partner in this journey.